Let's take these boxes and transform them into this. Easy, inexpensive holiday decorations. Let's try this.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kim, your resident DI trier of things seen on the internet and advocate for genuine lifestyling. Let's try some things and relaunch in color. Subscribe now. After marking out where all my holes would go for the broomstick handle, I wrapped each of the boxes. Now here's my confession, y'all. During my college years, my first job was in the department store wrapping gifts. This is where I quickly learned that I am a throw it in a bag kind of girl. And it took me all of 1 week to figure that out. Baby, I quit that job so fast. But if you are a true fan of wrapping gifts, I applaud you. Anyway, let's get back into these department store worthy gift box decorations. Even though I took my boxes apart to decorate each one, I decided to stack them on the first go round to get an idea of how I wanted my stack to be arranged. You may have to finagle with the pre-made holes a little bit, but I strongly encourage you to not miss this step. Speaking of not missing a step, if you haven't already, take a moment to like and subscribe to my channel. For my tiered box display, I chose to wrap each box with a ribbon that ties in with my Christmas tree decorations. I used hot glue to keep the ribbon attached only because of the type of material I was working with. I can't think of the name of this brown ribbon, but I did purchase it at the at-home store. Now, you know how it said hindsight is 2020, and knowing what I know now, I would have not used hot glue for this project. You'll see why coming up. But first, let's celebrate getting the tiers to stay in place. I told you those pre-made holes are worth making time to do. So let's talk about this right quick. The hot glue, you can see it. So I probably needed to use either a different brand of hot glue, something a bit more clear. I don't know how much more clear than this it can get, but I think I have an idea to cover that up. And then let's see what other imperfections that I see. Um, so like this is the back of the box. And of course I wouldn't want, well, this is gonna be towards the wall. So I'm not really concerned about that. My main concern is my base box with this, because you'll be able to see these. But I have a solution. So I think I do. Stay tuned, keep watching. Thinking I am going to take these dollar store bulbs and make clusters to put on top of where you can see these. And I'll still hot glue them on, but it'll be under the bulb. So I'll either take this piece off or keep it on, I don't know. And then I'll hot glue it like this and kind of just make some clusters in the areas where you see this and do some type of little decoration to clean this all up, because the hot glue may have not been the best option. Just as an FYI, I made ornament clusters and kept them together with a pipe cleaner. From there, I built upon the cluster with individual ornaments. I've also seen this method used to fill in large gaps where smaller ornaments would not suffice with Christmas tree decorations. On my 1 to 5 hammer scale, with 5 being the easiest, I give this project 4 hammers, only because I am not a fan of gift wrapping. Other than having to wrap each individual box, this DIY project was fairly affordable and simple enough to do in a weekend or a day. Let me know if you give this a try, and don't forget to check out the oversized cookie decorations that will be a perfect welcome for Santa.
Let's take these inexpensive boxes. Take 5. First of all, let's make sure you can see me.
Now let's go ahead and put the gift wrap. What the heck? Okay. Now let's go ahead and put the gift wrap